Hello everyone. In this session, I will explain the problems on properties properties of Laplace transform. Okay, properties of Laplace transform. So let's see the properties of Laplace transform first. Okay, if Laplace transform of f of t is equal to, that is integration t is equal to 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt, that's finally we can write it as function of s, that is f bar of s. Then the first property is called as shifting rule, that is Laplace transform of e power at f of t is equal to f bar of s minus a. Okay, this is called as shifting property. Okay, or you can write the same property as Laplace transform of f of t, every s is s minus a. Okay, while solving the problems, this one will be helpful, that is Laplace transform of f of t, that is f bar of s, then replace s by s minus a. Now the second property, consider b, Laplace transform of multiplications with the t. So t's power n f of t, Laplace transform of t power n f of t, that is minus 1 to the power n nth differentiation with respect to s for Laplace transform of f of t, that you can write it as f bar of s. Laplace transform of f of t is f bar of s. Yes, if suppose the value of n is equal to 1 here, then you will get Laplace transform of t f of t, that is minus 1 power 1, that is negative sign. First differentiation, since n is equal to 1, first differentiation with respect to s for Laplace transform of f of t, that is f bar of s. And suppose in the second case, if n is equal to 2 here, so what we get? Laplace transform of t power 2 f of t equal to minus 1 to the power 2, minus 1 square is plus sign, correct? Second differentiation, since n is equal to 2 with respect to s, second differentiation with respect to s, Laplace transform of f of t, that you can write it as f bar of s. Okay. Now let's move to the third property, that is Laplace transform of f of t and divides with t. Laplace transform of f of t by t. This can be written as integration s is equal to s to infinity, I mean integration with respect to s, Laplace transform of the numerator, I mean Laplace transform of f of t, that you can write it as f bar of s, correct? Laplace transform of numerator is f of t, Laplace transform of f of t can be written as f bar of s, integration with respect to s. These are the three properties of Laplace transform. Okay. Now let's see the problems on first property. Okay, we'll solve the problems on first property. Okay, so first problem I'll take, that is Laplace transform of t square e power 2t. Okay, t square e power 2t. Okay, find the Laplace transform of t square e power 2t according to the first property. Okay, according to the first property, if we have Laplace transform of e power at f of t, then this can be written as Laplace transform of f of t, correct? Every s is s minus a, or you can write that is f bar of s, every s is s minus a, or f bar of s minus a. So here I will write these terms in terms of Laplace transform of e power 2t first, then f of t, that is equal to t square as f of t. This is equal to, apply the property 1 now. Okay, Laplace transform of f of t is t square, every s is s minus a value is equal to 2 here, so s minus a is 2. And we know that Laplace transform of t power n by elementary formula of Laplace transform of t power n when n is integer, okay, positive integer, that is n factorial divided by s power n plus 1. So this becomes Laplace transform of t power 2, 2 factorial, that is equal to 2 factorial divided by s power 2 plus 1, that is s power 3. Then replace s by s minus 2. So your final answer is 2 divided by s is replaced by s minus 2 to the power 3. Okay, this is the answer for the first problem. So Laplace transform of t square e power 2t, that can be written as e power 2t into t square. So you will get 2 divided by s minus 2 to the power 3. Okay, let's move to the second problem using first property, that is to find Laplace transform of e power 3t into sin 5t into sin 3t. Okay, here Laplace transform of e power 8t, this one is f of t. Okay, sin 5t into sin 3t, product of two trigonometric function is f of t. So we have the formula, product of two trigonometric function transforming or converting into sum of two trigonometric function. Okay, minus 1 by 2 cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b. Okay, product of trigonometric functions to sum or difference of trigonometric functions. Okay, sin a sin b formula. So our f of t is sin 5t into sin 3t. This can be written as minus 1 by 2 cos of 5t plus 3t, correct? A is 5t, b is 3t, that it becomes 8t, minus cos of 5t minus 3t, that becomes 2t. Okay, or you can rewrite this one as 1 by 2. We'll take this negative inside. Okay, so minus cos 8t, and this becomes a minus of minus, this becomes plus, so cos 2t, right? It has first term minus cos 8t. Okay, this is our f of t. Now Laplace transform of e power 3t, f of t is sin 5t into sin 3t. This can be written as 1 by 2. I will take out. Okay, 1 by 2. This is our simplified f of t. So 1 by 2 I will take out. Laplace transform of e power 3t and f of t, the other terms 1 by 2 taken out, cos 2t minus cos 8t. Now apply the first property, that you know Laplace transform of e power at f of t is f bar of s minus a. F bar of s means Laplace transform of f of t, then replace s by s minus a. Okay, so here this becomes half times Laplace transform of f of t. Okay, later we should replace s by s minus 3, but here s minus a is equal to 3 here. So Laplace transform of f of t, that is cos 2t minus cos 8t. Okay, that is 1 by 2. We know that Laplace transform of cos 8t is s by s square plus a square. So here s by s square plus 2 square minus, okay, s by s square plus 8 square, that is 64. Then replace s by s minus 3. And s is common here. We can take out s outside. So and replace s by s minus 3. So s minus 3 outside divided by 2. Correct? Replacing s by s minus 3. So s is taken out. Then 1 divided by s minus 3 the square plus 4 minus 1 divided by s minus 3 the square plus 64. This is our final answer. Okay. Let's move to the third question to find Laplace transform of square root of e to the power 4 times t plus 3 plus another term e power minus 2t sin 3t. Okay, let's split the term. I mean, apply Laplace transform for both the terms. So Laplace transform of square root means it is the power of the term. So e to the power 4t plus 3 to the power square root means to the power 1 by 2. Okay. Plus Laplace transform of e power minus 2t sin 3t. You can proceed with property 1 for this case. Okay, second term. You can apply property 1 for this term, second term. So here e to the power a power m is e to the power m into n. So here 2 and 2 2s are 4, correct? And you will get e power 2t plus e power 2 into 3, that is 6, e power 6, since e is constant, that is 2.718. So e is constant, constant power 6, that's also constant, e power 6 is constant, correct? And apply Laplace transform for this term, that is e power 2t. So e power 6, the next term, e power 2t into e power 6, that's taken out. Plus apply the first property for the second term, that is Laplace transform of e power at f of t is f bar of s minus a, or you can write f bar of s is Laplace transform of f of t, then every s is s minus a, right? So here Laplace transform of f of t is sin 3t, then every s is s minus a, but a is equal to minus 2, so minus of minus plus 2. And we know that Laplace transform of sin at is a by s square plus a square, so we can substitute here before that. And also we know that Laplace transform of e power at is 1 by s minus a, so here a is equal to 2, so e power 6 outside, a is equal to 2, so 1 by s minus a is 2, plus Laplace transform of sin at formula, okay, that is a is 3 by s square plus 3 square, that is 9, and replace s by s plus 2. So your final answer is e power 6 into 1, that is e power 6 divided by s minus 2, and second term 3 divided by, replace s by s plus 2 in the second term, so s plus 2 the whole square plus s plus 2 the whole square plus 9. This is the final answer for the third question. Yes. Let's move to the fourth and the last question, that is to find Laplace transform of 4t plus 5 divided by e power 2t to the whole square. Okay. First simplify the given terms. This can be written as Laplace transform of e power 4t plus 5 to the whole square divided by e power 2t the square, that is e power 4t. A power m power n is a power m into n. Or Laplace transform of e power 4t, in numerator it becomes e power minus 4t, then a plus b the whole square, 4t plus 5 the whole square in the form of a plus b the whole square. So expand a square, that is 16t square, plus 2ab, 2 into 4t into 5, 2 into 4 is 8, 8 5 is of 40 into t, okay, plus b square, that is 5 square, 5 square is 25, right? Now apply the property number 1, that is Laplace transform of e power at f of t. F of t is the algebraic term, 16t square plus 40 times t plus 25. This is Laplace transform of f of t. After that you can replace s by s minus a, or you can write f bar of s minus a. Okay. Yes, we'll apply the property number 1. So it is Laplace transform of f of t, that is 16t square plus 40 times t plus 25. Then replacement s replaced by s minus a, but a value is minus 4 here. So s minus of minus, that is s plus 4. Now 16 is constant, taken out. And we know that Laplace transform of t power n is n factorial divided by s power n plus 1. So it is 2 factorial t square. Laplace transform of t square is 2 factorial, that is 2, divided by s power 2 plus 1, that is s power 3, plus 40 is constant taken out. Laplace transform of t is Laplace transform of t power 1, that is 1 factorial 1 divided by s power 1 plus 1, that is s square, plus Laplace transform of 25. So we know that Laplace transform of any constant is constant divided by s. So here a is equal to 25. So it is constant 25 divided by s. Then replace s by s plus 4. So you will get 16 to the 32 by s is replaced by s plus 4 to the power 3 plus 40 into 1, that is 40, divided by s plus 4 to the square, s square, plus 25 divided by s is replaced by s plus 4. So this is our final answer for the question number 4. Yes, in the next session I will discuss the problems on property number 2, that is Laplace transform of multiplication with the t, that is t power n, f of t can be written as minus 1 power n nth differentiation with respect to s for Laplace transform of f of t, that's nothing but f bar of s. Okay, now in the next session I will solve the problems on property number 2. Yes, thank you.